Hey guys, so what time is it? It's 5:47 p.m. and sis is going for a short walk, and this short walk is more of a looking for leaves, green leaves, because I wanna put them somewhere to dry. And basically I'm looking for something DIY for my photography. From my last video, which I know you have watched, of me planning for 1 month in Instagram posts, Instagram content, yeah. So this is what happened. Photographers are very expensive in Nairobi. For an hour or 2 hours, you have to pay minimum of 8K, honey. Yeah, 8K. Plus, you heard me from my previous video that I didn't really quite get a location for a shoot. I didn't, and the only hotel I got was I was supposed to pay 5K for 2 hours. How many, guys? Only 2 hours. That gives me like let's say I would spend something like 15K for one shoot. Do I have to spend all that money, really, guys? And then I was like, cause I can't afford to use money right now. Actually, I'm on a saving mode. So why don't I try DIYing? Honestly, I'm not a DIY person, but it seems like I have to learn. So guys, I'm gonna like DIY my own photo shoot backgrounds, which I'm gonna show you guys from everything. I'm gonna show you everything. It might help someone somewhere, right? And then so that's why I'm going right now this evening for a short walk and looking for leaves, because you've seen those dry leaves. I don't know if they're bought or anything, I don't know. And actually I don't think I really want to know, because I'm not looking to buy anything. I'm DIYing everything. The flower, the green leaves plus containers. I'm gonna have to look. Pinterest is really helping me on that. So guys, let's go. Look at the flowers, guys. Are they flowers? Are they trees? I'm not sure, but I think I love the purple. So I decided for tomorrow's shoot, which I don't know when you're gonna see the vlog, we're gonna like cut this, cause this, and then like have a bunch of them, have a bunch of the purple flowers. They really look so beautiful. And then we maybe like we fold them and then put them in a container, right? Because we decided now we can't like have these to dry, because I think the leaves will shed off. Yeah, so I'm getting a couple of them. DIY, guys. Saving coins. 20, 21. Hey guys, it's 8 p.m. It's called content creating. So I want to show you what I have done so far. Ta-da! Can you see this? So I have two ideas. Of course, it's a shoot, so I'm not gonna like shoot one photo or one theme. So far, there's water here. I mean, because it's overnight, so by the time it's morning, they don't wither or they can't dry. Yes, they don't wither. So that's why there is there is cold water here actually. So I haven't thought of what to do with this plain bottle yet. Though by tomorrow I'm hoping I'll have none. And then can you see this? Can you see the combination? So okay, let me show you. Literally tulikata hii. Can you see this, guys? And then the stem, it got to be stem. The stems are touching the water. So this one, I have an idea for this. I think I'll get some white clothing and then tie it to bring that, no, not container vibe. And then I'm not sure where I'm gonna get a whitish netish, and then have it have the net like roll down, you know, as I'm pausing. That's an idea I have, one idea. By tomorrow morning, I'll have another idea. I'm hoping so. So I really love this so far. You guys, you can't wait to see the final product. I'm really excited for this. We found this somewhere out there. Yes, okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hello there, how are you doing? It's Sunday, some minutes to 7 p.m. Not that. I know you're waiting to see how the water bottle and the leaves, flowers turned out. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm just looking at them right now. I haven't done much about them, but I'll show you in case I do it. So guys, you see this I'm holding? It's a flower. What are these? Leaves? I a while ago bought with my friend Anne for decorating my house. So I thought of using it to DIY this first outfit. I'm gonna show you in a while. This is a peg, so I'm deciding. This is what I'm gonna do. So this is the first outfit. This is a sweater tucked in, a short denim skirt, and you're not gonna see them. And these are my boots. So my idea is that you see, like on the photo, I don't want everything to show. I just want like a part of it to show. So like this is my curtain, of course. So I'm thinking of my idea is to mount it somewhere far, something like that. Oh shit! It didn't just fall.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you,
Hey guys, so I think I'll end my vlog there. I hope you had a lot of fun, because I had a lot of fun shooting this vlog, plus my very first time DIYing anything in my life, plus the home photo shoot. So guys, I think I'll see you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment down below. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.